What's up, guys? Okay, so this is part 2 of the video that just went up of the Trespass that the I Eat Chicken TV guy is gonna get. Go over and like and subscribe to his channel. And this is the sergeant, and we're gonna figure out if he knows the 5 elements of the First Amendment, and then we're gonna see how the rest of this call plays out.
Can I ask you?
What?
You know all 5 elements of the First Amendment?
All 5 elements of the first? Man, am I going to show up on YouTube if I get it wrong?
No.
Speech, religion,
You're gonna show up on YouTube regardless.
assembly. They're
Come
like
on.
the other 2 that I'm missing, they're like lesser known ones.
There's
right?
5 of them.
I mean, it depends on who you ask.
So the 2 I'm missing are lesser known. You should know all of them.
I think that's so. Freedom to say what you want.
The
Freedom
sergeant.
to worship who you want.
The smart one.
Freedom to peaceful protest.
You got more than
And let's not forget, he's been a sergeant apparently for 15 years.
most already. I give you a hint.
Okay.
It's something I'm doing right now.
I feel the Jeopardy dee 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 playing. Look, he's like, really?
You're just standing there.
What am I doing though?
Recording?
Of course.
That's not in the First Amendment.
Freedom of press.
Press.
There you
Recording, that's not the First Amendment, is it? I don't remember recording. Freedom of the press.
go. There you go.
Yep,
So
yep.
what's the 5th one?
You don't know?
Are you asking?
If I do, I...
So what you got? Let's see what you got. You got speech,
Speech, religion, assembly. You help with press.
and there's a P1.
Come on. And it's not press. Come on, Sarge, you can do
P
it.
is press, so there's another P.
There's another P1.
I don't know.
Petition.
Petition.
Maybe they should take the First Amendment, all of them, and put it in an acronym. They'll probably remember it that way.
Petition.
Explain that to me. What's that?
The freedom to petition the government.
Petition, he says, what does that mean? Oh my Lord, he's a sergeant.
Yeah.
Like to...
Also, remember that show back in the day, Fat Cops? And everybody thought that's not a real show, and it was. I'm just saying.
Like the things that people are having issues with these... When Christy Noem had that senator arrested, petition to come in, like, ask your government questions.
Exactly.
So, you may not know it,
Mm-hmm.
just from looking at me and what I'm wearing.
Yeah.
I am as far from those people as you could be, as far as, like, the Trump regime and Mao and all that.
Yeah.
I worry about that every day.
Well, it's something you guys all should know anyway, because
I know.
if somebody like me comes out here to record,
Did he say he's as far from those? I mean, the founding. I don't understand what that part of that conversation was about.
then if you don't know your Constitution, you guys could possibly violate my rights, just like she's about to come do right now.
How's she going to violate your rights?
She's about to give me a trespass warning
Right.
for
Saying
somewhere
you can't go on that property.
I've
Incorrect. That is not how a criminal trespass works.
never been.
Right. And it's saying don't go there in the future. It's not saying this isn't...
See, the problem is, fatter, and fattest aren't used to having to get out here and actually do anything. They're used to riding around in their car and sitting around and eating a bunch of crap, and now they got to get out here and do something, and they're going to try and make you think they know what they're talking about. They, in fact, do not.
anything about what happened in the past. It's saying it's
No, I'm talking about right now.
come back in the future.
Yeah,
That's
What phone number do you have when I give it to you?
I don't give out the information.
Phone number, good one.
If I could just have you sign here.
For what?
Nope.
It's your no trespass notice. Just saying that I explained it to you. So that
Criminal trespass does not work like that. For criminal trespass, you have to have entered onto the property. Then the people in charge of the property have to ask you to leave. You refuse to leave, then a criminal trespass happens. Also, criminal trespass and filing a false police report, same penalties, a year in jail and a $1,000 fine.
basically what this means is a permanent trespass. So therefore, if you come back, it is an arrestable offense.
You cannot trespass somebody from somewhere. They might as well trespass him from the White House. They might as well trespass him from I don't know, Disneyland. He's never been there. You can't trespass him from somewhere he's never been. And the property owners have to ask you to leave once you've entered onto the property.
Well, I've never been here.
Okay.
I never went on the property.
That's
In order to
fine.
trespass me, I had to have gone
Again, they have looked at no video that the bank has.
on the property. They told me to leave, and I refused to leave.
Okay.
And I've never gone on the property.
Okay.
I've been out here this whole time.
Okay. Do you want to sign it or not?
I'm not
Did you write them a ticket for filing a false police report? I'm betting you did not.
signing anything. I've never been on the property.
They want his name so bad they can't stand it. No, don't sign it.
Like I said, did they say I went on the property?
Yes, they say you're.
Did they say they said I was all the way up against the door? That's a false police report. How do I go about that?
You can report.
Oh, well, you can report it, but they ain't got time for all that. Look at this one's like, oh shit, we're gonna have to do more paperwork, aren't we?
Can I report it right now?
Yep, it's recorded.
No, I'm saying that they made a.
From their car to the front door.
I didn't follow.
In the front door.
I didn't
like
follow
that.
anybody.
But
How would I know who's an employee out here?
Okay, we're not
I don't know.
You're not allowed inside of that building, okay?
I never went in-
Property, which includes
I've never went inside the building.
They don't want to hear what he's got to say. They are right and he is wrong in their mind.
I never went inside the building.
Do you need anything from us anymore?
I didn't call you guys.
Then you're free to go.
You guys are free to go too.
Do you plan on leaving?
Yeah. As soon as you guys roll out, I'm gonna roll out.
And the only reason he's there is because you got a useless female. Of course, he seems about as useless as her, but in the event some shit goes down, he is going to have to cover her ass.
You guys have a good one. Thank you. And I'm gonna check out some of those food places you was talking about.
Now, don't go in there and be difficult.
Nah.
Don't go in there and be difficult and throwing his name around, cause then they won't let him come in there and get a bunch of free food.
I gotta
You're,
eat.
you're testing me on the Constitution stuff. I get it, dude.
Hey, Sarge.
I just don't understand why you're here. And
Sarge.
He's told you, I don't know how many times, why he is there, why you have such a problem with it, why you can't understand that he has done nothing wrong. Why don't you go get some more donuts, though?
You need to explain to them what the First Amendment is that I just explained to you. You need to explain, because you know
What
it
did
more.
they do to violate your First Amendment?
This trespass.
What does it say?
I never went on the property.
It doesn't say you went on
Sarge.
their property.
And in order for a criminal trespass requires that you go on the property, dumbass.
Saying
They said I went on their property.
because someone in there said you.
Yeah,
went on their
they said I
property.
went all the way against the window. That's their property.
Right, and that's what someone told us.
I never went on.
Yes, and you should have went in there and talked to whomever said that, got all their information, and then looked at camera footage from inside and outside of the bank, and you should have issued them a ticket for filing a false police report.
Their
The
property.
police doing anything.
No, I'm not saying that, but the trespass. You guys didn't properly investigate. If you would have went inside there, pulled the cameras, and seen that I was never on their property, I wouldn't have no trespass. And you, right?
Let me explain to you real quick.
Okay.
Oh God, here we go. Ready for some cop-splaining? And yes, that's the donkey over there talking. And then he's going to take that paper and point out the words and make sure you further understand the bullshit he's trying to tell you.
And try not to interrupt.
No, I'm good. All right.
Try not to interrupt me. I got shit to say and I got to go get some lunch.
This block, this section of property is
Okay.
owned and maintained by PNC Bank. Okay? That
Not the sidewalk.
is their property.
The sidewalk.
Is that a true statement?
The sidewalk.
Does the building and
The
the parking lot belong
the
to
building is theirs.
Look, he's getting hangry. You can tell he's ready to go eat.
Does the building and the parking lot belong to the bank?
Yeah.
Okay. That piece of paper
Mhm.
says you are no longer allowed to come on their property.
Okay.
Property he has never been on.
It's not saying, it doesn't say anything. I know someone says you went on their property before. That's irrelevant.
It's not irrelevant. Who said he went on their property before, and where is the evidence of it? And if he didn't, where is their ticket for filing a false police report?
This is private property because of how you're acting today, they are giving you notice that you are furthermore trespassed from their property.
Furthermore trespass. Not only are you trespassed, you are furthermore trespassed.
Should you choose to enter or remain on their property in the future, you could be subject to arrest.
The whole point they're not understanding is that he was never on the property of the bank. They don't want to hear it. They're always going to be right. It doesn't matter.
And what I'm saying to you is, the trespass means that I went on to the property. They reported that I went on to their property.
Can I grab that paper and
Yeah.
Okay, get ready. He's going to point and read some words, and that's going to make it law.
You are hereby given written and verbal notice of no trespass. You may not enter or remain upon the land of the bank at this address.
Okay.
It's not saying you went on their property.
But in order for it to be a criminal trespass, he has to enter onto the fucking property. What is that you're not getting?
It's saying you
They
cannot.
said I went on to their property,
Right.
though. That's false. That's a false police report. Like I said, go
False police report, false 911 call.
It's not. They didn't.
ask them for their footage.
See, he's so trying to be on the bank side, he can't stand it. His wife or somebody probably works in there.
Ask them for the footage,
No.
please, because
Because
I never
here's-
went
No, ask him for the footage, and he says no. Why?
on
here's
there.
the fact
You
of
know
the
what I mean?
matter.
Here's the thing, he should have said, here's the deal.
Even if you're just.
I was right here on the sidewalk.
Even if you're not doing anything, even if you're just standing there and they don't like the way you look or the way you smell or the way the shoes you're wearing, it is private property. They can tell whoever they want not to come on their property.
So they
Incorrect. Does not work that way. This guy is so full of shit. It's sad how full, and these these are sucking up taxpayer dollars left and right to be this fucking stupid.
can trespass somebody for walking down the sidewalk just because I got black shoes
You're
on.
not trespassed from the sidewalk. You're trespassed from the
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
That's been the whole argument. That's where he's been.
I was on the.
You're here with your camera trying to like prove a point or
No, I have a problem with the trespass because I never went on. No, I'm saying I never went on the property though. In order for me to come back, I had to be on the property. I never went on there.
Okay. The notice says you may not enter their property.
Okay.
That's all you have to worry about.
Yeah.
To me, it's irrelevant whether you were on their property. I don't even
It's not irrelevant. He was issued a ticket for it. Very relevant.
care.
Yeah.
But it's their property. They have asked us to tell you.
So if he shows back up tomorrow recording in the same place and they call and say the same thing, that criminal trespass is going to kick in and he can go to jail for a year and $1,000 fine. And the bank still has to prove nothing. That's how fucking dumb these people here are. Sergeant, he's an idiot. Like I said, his wife must work in that bank.
You don't come to our property.
Okay.
And that's all it is. So,
And where'd you guys say the station was at?
what do you need at the station? Because I'm the sergeant on duty. And
What do you need at the station? Because I don't need you over there recording in a bunch of shit and then I got to talk to you again and miss my lunch.
I'm the ranking officer today.
Okay.
So if you got a complaint or something, the easiest way to fill out a complaint form is do it online,
Let's always do it online. They do not want people up there.
urbana.gov, search police
I didn't
complaint.
say anything about complaint. I can't go down there to pull some body cam footages and
You
see.
have to submit a FOIA request.
Of course, because they have,
That's all
like I
they
said,
want to
it didn't make no sense for them.
And I hope he does get that body camera footage and put it up because I'm betting 1,000% that the fat female cop from earlier went inside that bank and solicited a trespass. Can't do that. Government cannot be the complainant. Government cannot be the victim.
And have a problem with me recording on the sidewalk, right?
When you say there, you're talking about
The bank,
or
the bank, no, the bank.
Okay.
They had a problem with me out here recording on the sidewalk, right? And they called more people down here with cameras. So now, if I go down to the station, submit a FOIA, get the body cam footages, I got inside the bank. It didn't make no sense. You know what I mean? It didn't make no sense. And if you guys went in there and asked them if they wanted to trespass me, that's not right.
It's not right, but you know that's what they did. Look, he's like, you got me on that one, but dude, I got to go get some lunch.
Because I'm on the sidewalk. You know what I mean?
But you still haven't given me a reason why you're on the sidewalk.
He's told you I don't know how many times. You just don't want to listen to what he's saying. His theory is that you're out here recording for informational and educational purposes. His theory is that cannot be the reason you're out here.
I'm just recording a video, an educational video. That's all I'm doing.
So you're looking for a police response?
Of course not. I didn't tell them to call the
what's the
police.
educational purpose of your video before the police get here?
What do you mean?
You said you're recording the video for educational purposes.
Yeah.
What educational purposes were you recording before the police got here?
Well, I'm just out here showing my people that you can record on the sidewalk without any problem.
Apparently, with problems.
Right. You can't.
Because that's my First Amendment right. Like we just went about freedom of press.
Now, see, he just totally agreed with him. Yet he didn't stop the other one from soliciting a criminal trespass. He should be fired.
All right. Well,
That's all I'm doing.
hopefully you've got your teaching points made. And
But where's the station at again?
right over there, it's that white building you can see through the trees. There's right
Okay.
outside of
Can
there.
I get you know the address by chance?
400 South Pine Street.
Okay. Oh, it's on the card. No.
Notice how condescending he's talking to him now.
Nice. All right. Thank you. I appreciate it. It was good meeting you. So yeah, that's Atlanta Police Department.
Also, I'd like to note, why is he driving an unmarked car? Because they all want to be in unmarked cars. That way, when you don't know they're there, they can just write you tickets for any fucking thing.
Sergeant. There was 2 officers. And yeah, they gave me a trespass warning from recording on the sidewalk. That's all. He's in an unmarked car.
He is. For no reason. Anyway, that's where we're at with this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 2% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. Click the button and we'll move along. Let me know what you think about this one, and I'm out.